Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how I made this beautiful Pichwai wall hanging from scratch. Plus we will talk about gesso and some common resin art mistake. So watch till the end and let's get started. I had this wooden cutouts which I ordered from Craft of India, or you can also get easily on Amazon or Flipkart. I also had this pearl and a wire for decoration. The first step was applying gesso to the cutouts. Now why use gesso? It works as a primer, making the surface smooth and helping color appear more vibrant and long lasting. Let's apply it to all the cutouts. You can add one or two layers and also apply it on the back to prevent a moisture damage. Keep it aside to dry, and once it dried, I moved on to painting. Now let's start painting. I am using acrylic colors because they dry quickly and give rich and vibrant finish. For the cow, I used silver acrylic paint to give it a shimmery effect and added a slight orange shade of contrast. You can color it according to your choice and add a fine details to make it more articulate. Small patterns, highlights, or even a traditional motifs can enhance the look. And just look how pretty and divine this cow is looking. Now let's move on to the lotus. To give it a depth, I started with a base pink shade and then added a darker pink near the petal edges to create a soft gradient. I also highlighted some areas with white to enhance the 3D effect. The petals now look vibrant and lifelike. Now it's time for making the wall hanging. I used pearl and beads to enhance the beauty of this wall hanging. I carefully arranged the pearls and beads, threading them through a thin metallic wire to create an elegant and a structured design. To make sure everything stays in place, I secured the bead tightly and adjusted the wire carefully. You can also use the different sizes and colors of beads to create a more intricate look. This part is completely customizable, so feel free to experiment with the different designs. Once I was happy with the arrangement, I attached the wire loops at the top to make it easy to hang. Now our Pichwai wall hang is really coming together. After assembling everything, I applied varnish over the entire piece. This helps seal the paint, enhance the colors, and added a subtle shine, making the details stand out beautifully. Then I had an idea, why not add resin for a glossy finish, but I made a huge mistake. I didn't mix it properly in a hurry and it wouldn't dry. I tried finding a solution but nothing worked. So I did something funny. I used a hair dryer to soften the resin and let it settle before starting over. But this time I checked the correct ratio for resin type, 1 part hardener and 2 part resin liquid. It's important to follow the ratio recommended for your resin. I mix it slowly for at least 3 minutes in a circular motion to prevent bubbles and then pour it again. And finally, after all this effort, it sets perfectly. And here is the final look. I absolutely love how it turned out. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is a great DIY project you can try at home with the kids and even gift as a handmade piece with love. See you in the next video. Bye bye.